Okay, so now let's start with the authentication. In this tutorial, we will allow the user to sign up. First things to do is, in here, once the user pressing logout, nothing is happening. Let's go to the main screen. In here, it's because we are calling the bottom bar screen as the main screen. We need to change it to the landing page. We need to import it. My IDE already imported. Save it now. So here it is. Now in this page, we need to allow him to sign up. So let's go to the sign up screen in here. And in the submit form method, we will need to do something. Now to use the authentication or to implement the authentication, we need to do something before we start coding. So let's go to the browser and go to pub.dev, search for Firebase Auth, go to this link, go to installing and copy this. And in here, go to pubspec.yaml file, paste it in here, press on this or run the app. Now go back to the sign up screen or file in here, and in here we need to initialize the Firebase Auth. So in here, let's initialize the Firebase Auth. So in here, let's say Firebase Auth like this. For sure, we need to import it. So let's go back to the browser and let's copy this and paste it in here. Let's name it _auth like this, and now we need to initialize it. We can initialize it by calling Firebase auth dot instance, just like this. Now we need to access this auth to allow the user to sign up. So let's say _auth dot create user with email and password. Now in here we need to pass in the email. So let's copy this email and let's say dot to lowercase and let's say trim to trim all extra spaces in it. For the password, we need to pass in the password. We need to say also dot trim like this. Now let's run the application again and wait for it. Okay, so the app finished running again. So let's go to the sign up. And here we got an error. To add this package, we need to add another package first. So let's go back to pub.dev and in here search for Firebase core and install this package and paste it in here. Press on this icon or